Well, hello. Today I want to talk to you about this smart device that's packed with loads of features. It's called the TAPO Wi-Fi Smart Outlet Extender. This thing does more than just increase your two-prong WOW outlets from 2 to 6. This device is packed with smart features. Now I'm going to caution you, the price seems a bit high, but if you use just some of the things I'm going to show you, it'll help you gain some return on your investment. Now, personally, I found it useful in my quest to find ways to save money and add functionality to my smart home. I'm going to show you some of the examples I used it in my smart home, so you can hopefully use it in some of yours. I will also show you some automations I use to give some inspiration, and will also give you an honest review. This is the Dr. Esteban Show. You can call me Dr. E. Let's get this show started. So nurse, get their vitals. Okay, so let's get started at looking at some of these features. Now, the TAPO Smart Wi-Fi Outlet Extender works with all Apple Home, Alexa, and My House, which is based in Google Home. It has a surge protector, smart outlets, and it's spaced out at 1.5 inches. It has a USB-A and USB-C with 18-watt fast charging. Now get this, it has a smart night light. Now, I don't really like to do unboxing, but in this case, I'll make this go fast. Boom, 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 bam. Installation. Let's do some installation and make this easy peasy. Swoop, push, screw, walk away. Now, one of the best things I like about this smart Wi-Fi extender is it's spaced out pretty well with the 1.57 inches apart. Interestingly, there are 3 smart outlets on the left with an on-off button. There are 3 non-smart outlets on the right. And on the right side, there are 2 USB-A slots and 1 USB-C slot which support 18-watt fast charging. Now, it looks like it has a nice little lip on the front to hold the device. And get this, the bottom does have a smart light, which is a nice touch depending on where you mount this smart device. All right, so now that we're done checking this thing out, here's the reason why I got this outlet extender. I use it to turn on and off my electric recliners from midnight to 7 in the morning. This is a great way to save money on my electric bill by turning them off when they're not in use. I also built an automation that turns them off when no one's at home. Now, the bonus for you is that it's on sale because it's a holiday, so it may be on sale for a percentage off. If you're watching this at a later date, then the sale might be over. Now, though I bought my first one at full price, the rest I got on sale. So really I have 3, and there's a link in the description below. But let's get back on task. And in closing, the review of this device begins with, I had to remove a lot of my single smartlets and set them aside when I got this smart device. The TAPO app is easy to set up, and it's easy to pull it into the Google Home ecosystem. The only issue I have is the smart light is on by default. So when it gets dark, the night will turn on. To turn it off, it's buried in the settings. So the only issue, he said, the only issue I have is the smart light by default is on. So when it gets dark, the night light will turn on. To turn it off, it is buried in the settings. So I will list it in the description below and make a quick video on how to turn it off so that you don't have to go through all that. Okay, so now we're at the end of the show. So let's take a moment to reflect on this smart device. I like it.
It's saving me money by being off at night and when I'm not at home. It reduced the clutter behind my couches. And I'm still trying to figure out how to use a nightlight, but in the end, it would be a great accent behind the couches at night. Now I'm going to put a link in the description, so don't blame me if you go click it and the sale is over. Now next time you visit the doctor's office, you're going to have to pay a co-pay for my services. This is Dr. E, and I will see you on your next appointment. Until then, stay happy, stay healthy, stay smart. Now nurse, get them out of here.